Hey guys, I hope you're all well. So today I have this brown metallic eye look with two different lip options. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start by taking the Clarins Beauty Flash Balm to moisturise and brighten up my face. Then taking the NYX Concealer in Tan, I'm just going to apply it in areas that have pigmentation, so underneath my eyes and around my mouth area. And to get that extra coverage, I'm going to go in with my NARS Creamy Concealer in Biscuit and just add a second layer of concealer on top. And I'm just going to quickly apply Vaseline to keep my lips hydrated. For my foundation, I'm taking the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation in the shade Natural, and this is a shade or two light on my skin tone when I first apply it, but it oxidizes later on, so it's okay to work with. And to apply this, I'm just going to use my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush, which I love, and I'm just going to blend the foundation into my skin. Now for contour, I'm using the NYX contour palette and I'm taking the deepest shade to contour my cheeks, and I'm also going to take that around my jaw area, you know, gotta fake that jawline, and I'm also taking it around my mouth area to warm up the skin tone because it looks a bit ashy. For my highlight today, I'm taking the Revolution Strobe highlighter in the shade Gold Addict, and I'm applying it to the tops of my cheeks and around my temple kind of area, and this is just going to give a subtle highlight that will match my eye makeup later on. For my transition shade, I'm using the deepest shade from the Sleek Contour and Blush palette, and I'm taking this particular palette just to show you guys that you can use any kind of brown shade you want that will kind of match your eye, and this is just going to give it a bit of dimension before going in with my base eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with the Revolution Pro Artist Metallic Eye Foil in the shade Dead End, and I'm applying this all over my eyelids using this dense Sigma brush. to brighten up the centre of the eye, I'm taking the shade Fall Around. I'm just packing it onto the midsection of my eyelids, and I'm also going to go back in with the shade Dead End to make sure that everything has been blended in nicely. To intensify the inner corners, I'm taking the shade Under Your Spell, and I'm just slightly applying this so that the whole eye makeup look comes together. Now I'm taking the Kiko Kohl pencil in 114 and tightlining my waterlines. And like to further intensify the eyes, I'm taking the Loreal Colour Riche Kohl in black and just tightlining the outer half of my eyes and then smudging it with the Sigma smudge brush, and this is just going to give me like a smoky eye look. For my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the deeper shade, and this is basically black out of the Benefit Smoking Eye Palette, and I'm just going to use this to fill in my eyebrows and kind of define them. And now I'm going to apply these Eylure Dramatic Lashes in the number 202, and I'm just going to apply them off camera, and I'm going to be using the Duo Lash Glue to apply this. And I'm going to go back in with the black L'Oreal Kohl pencil in my upper inner corner waterline so that the lashes blend in with the whole eye makeup. And then I'm going to take that brown Kiko Kohl pencil to intensify the lower inner waterlines. Moving on to my lips, I'm taking the Kiko Smart Pencil in 712, and I'm just going to line my lips and also fill it in using the same lip liner. Then I'm taking the NYX Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Charmed, and I'm just going to fill it in, and this will be my lip option number 1. For the second look, I'm taking the Kiko Smart Lip Pencil in 710, and this is a kind of like a deep berry shade, and I'm just going to use this to line my lips, and I'm going to apply the MAC lipstick called Media, and I'm just going to use this to fill in my lips. And then to kind of give it a proper colour, I'm going to go in with Ruby Woo by MAC and just fill in the central area of my lips. So these are the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'd love to know which lip combo you like the most, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.